The South Salmara Mankachar district, neighbor to the state Meghalaya's various weekly market traders today. A group of miscreants beat up a small group of small businessmen from Meghalaya state. More than 5,000 small traders from the district South Salmara Mankachar goes to Meghalaya's weekly market and sell something to earn, and with that money they feed their families. Someone from the district South Salmara Mankachar who has been doing business in Meghalaya for more than 10 years are able to earn their living by running some variety of shops in the weekly market of Meghalaya. Due to the lockdown, as no traders were allowed to enter Meghalaya, caused a great disaster among all and made those small traders financially very weak. As now from the past few days, the government of Meghalaya allowed all the small traders to run their shop in the weekly market and all were going smoothly.
যে এতিয়া দোকানবিলাক বন্ধ কৰা আমালোকে হ্যাঁ আপোনালোকে যদি কৰি নেদেয় তেনেহ'লে আমালোকে এতিয়া বন্ধ কৰিম তাৰপিছত ইহঁতে সোমাই দিল 1 ঘণ্টা 1 ঘণ্টা মানে 5 মিনিটও হোৱা নাই 2 মিনিট পিছত ক'ৰ পৰা বা 2-3 জন ল'ৰা আহিল অহাৰ পিছত মানে ইমান মেধৰ আৰম্ভ কৰিল কৰাৰ পিছত আমালোকে মানে কোনেবা মাল মাত্ৰা লৈ আহিছে কোনেবা মাল মাত্ৰাবিলাক এৰি থৈ গাড়ীত উঠি গুচি আহিছে
আমি এতিয়া গোটেইবিলাক চিন্তা কৰিছোঁ যে আন্দোলন কৰিম মেঘালয়ৰ মাল আমি নলওঁ আমাৰ আসামৰ যি কেঁচা সবজি আছে আৰু গালামাল আছে আমি যাবলৈ নিদিওঁ আমি সিদ্ধান্ত লৈছোঁ
Meghalaya caused a great disaster among all and made those small traders financially very weak. As now from the past few days, the government of Meghalaya allowed all the small traders to run their shop in the weekly market and all were going smoothly. But suddenly, today some miscreants started beating those small traders along with the shopkeepers with some sticks in the weekly market and started catching all the shopkeepers or the small traders from the district South Salmara Mankachar. As a result, the retailers had to run away from there to save themselves and return to their own standard. It is pertinent to note that the ideal village panchayat of Mankachar is the Garo Pahar district of Meghalaya, which is dependent on vegetables produced by the panchayat. If the export of vegetables from Mankachar is stopped on this day, the general public of Meghalaya will be exposed to their necessities of dance, including vegetables. In the midst of this situation, the small traders are thinking of starting a non-cooperative movement with the neighbor state Meghalaya. Meghalaya's Garo Pahar district will suffer from food shortages if these small traders stop exporting goods. As a result, the price of these items will increase in Meghalaya as well as it will cause a huge damage to all the medium and ranked traders. In view of this situation, the government from both the district have demanded to sort out the issue from small and medium businesses.